Perfecting the ballet bun, a stylish essential. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a term that's as elegant as it is precise, ballet bun. It's a phrase that not only dances off your tongue but also carries with it a sense of grace and formality. If you're curious about what a ballet bun is and why it's important, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery of this stylish hairdo together. A ballet bun is a type of hairstyle commonly worn by ballet dancers. It involves pulling hair back from the face and neck and twisting it into a tight coil at the back of the head. It's not just a chic style, it's a functional necessity for dancers. The bun keeps their hair out of their face and maintains a neat appearance that doesn't distract from their performance. The ballet bun is not only about looking the part, it's a vital aspect of a dancer's routine. It ensures that a dancer's hair does not interfere with their movement or vision. Moreover, this hairstyle is part of the classical ballet aesthetic, reflecting the discipline's emphasis on clean lines and elegance. It's a symbol of identity for ballet dancers, often representing the seriousness and dedication they have for their art. Making a ballet bun requires a few tools: a brush, hair elastic, bobby pins, hairnet, and hairspray. The process is quite straightforward. 1. Brush the hair to remove any knots. 2. Pull the hair into a ponytail and secure it with an elastic. 3. Twist the ponytail into a tight rope, wind it around the base, and then tuck in the ends. 4. Secure the bun with bobby pins so that it stays firm. 5. Cover with a hairnet to catch any loose ends or flyaway hairs. 6. Finish with hairspray to keep everything smooth and tidy. The bun should be located at the crown of the head or slightly higher, which allows a dancer to balance and spin without it coming undone. While the traditional ballet bun is quite simple, there are variations. Some dancers might incorporate braids or ribbons for a touch of personal flair or for specific performances. But no matter the variation, the underlying goal remains the same: to keep the hair pulled back neatly and securely. And there you have it, the ballet bun, a timeless hairstyle that's much more than a fashion statement in the world of ballet. It's a blend of function, beauty, and tradition. We hope you enjoyed learning about this elegant and essential part of a ballet dancer's attire. Keep practicing your English, and maybe try out making a ballet bun yourself. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful language lessons.